merciful and beneficent and knows the deep secrets of entire universe. As we all people have gathered here at the Das English Grammar Language Academy right in next prize-giving ceremony on this day of 14th August 1947's celebration. Actually, this is a glorious day for we all people, a gala day and a precious day, the day we got recognition, the day of identification, and the day of our name to be Pakistani. So it is the duty of every Pakistani, beyond caste, color, creed, or belonging to any religion. We are here, the Pakistanis and the true Pakistanis, true patriots. We love our country, our homeland. We have some of the students we are going to present for these speeches. Otherwise, most of these speeches have been done here in the Das English Grammar Language Academy, and afterwards we are going to start the prize giving ceremony. First of all, may I call upon your sounds of claps. Let's put your hands together for a candidate in the female shift today. We are going to call upon any other sounds of claps. Ms. Manishka towards the stage.
The omniscient, omnipotent, and the most pitiful. I'm very obliged to you people that you have given me a marvelous opportunity to talk on this mega topic, the Independence Day of Pakistan. I would like to start my speech with this poetry. निगाह वो नहीं जो सुर्ख हो जर्द पहचाने, निगाह वो नहीं जो सुर्ख हो जर्द पहचाने, निगाह वो है जो मोहताज मेहरो माँ नहीं. फर्क से बहुत आगे है मंजिल मोमिन, फर्क से बहुत आगे है मंजिल मोमिन, कदम उठा ये मकाम इत्तहा ईरान नहीं. Mr. President, freedom is a basic right of every human on the surface of the earth, be that the freedom of thought, freedom of talk, freedom of speech, or the freedom of life. A man without freedom is a bird in a cage, shouting and yelling for liberty. Independence to Pakistan was awarded by Allah Almighty on 27th of Ramzan is to make a pillar among the Muslim power. The sacrifices our ancestors and forefathers presented are unforgettable and unchallengeable. We do remember the bloodbath, common violence, burning of trains, massacre, genocides, children to be salted, mothers and sisters to be humiliated, what and what not, Mr. President, what and what not. Mr. President, Pakistan, the Pak Lynch, the Holy Lynch, was got after the sacrifices of Maulana Muhammad Ali Jor and Maulana Shaukat Ali Jor, to whom the Amma said, if you surrender before the Britisher, you are dead for me and I am dead for you. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, who created a spirit in Muslims to acquire education and fight for their rights of independence. Pakistan is the dream of Allama Iqbal. Pakistan is the struggle of Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Muslim man and woman, Muslim scholar and teacher, Muslim youth and children. Mujahid's going to separate lane called Pakistan on 14th August 1947, Mr. President, 14th August 1947. Our enemy is scarred. We are today power, the independent power, the nuclear power, with missiles, with mission, with the struggle, with hard work and with unbeatable spirit. Independence is gift from Almighty Lord. We have safeguarded our independence and will always safeguard it. We have justified our independence and will always justify it. We are the sons and daughters of Pakistan. We are the youth of Pakistan. Independence is ours and Pakistan will ever remain independent. We are all united under the flag of Pakistan, under the constitution of Pakistan, under the rule of Pakistan. We have an army, a powerful army, logistic navy and expert air force. Our soldiers are brave and bold. If it comes to our independence, every Pakistani will be in the battleground to protect our independence and fight till the end. Coming to nitty-gritty, I would like to sum up by saying, इस परचम के साए तले हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं. इस परचम के साए तले हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं. साथ ही अपनी खुशियाँ और गम एक हैं, हम एक हैं. We united.